Welcome to Unit 8, Section 1, Lesson 2, Video 1, Constructing Perpendicular Lines. Before we start constructions, let's review the question, what are perpendicular lines? Perpendicular lines are simply lines that intersect at 90 degrees. The two lines make right angles. For example, if we had line segment AB, and we draw a line segment CD like this, these two lines make a 90-degree angle. We use this symbol to indicate an angle is 90 degrees. We would say that CD is perpendicular to AB, and the symbol for perpendicular is this, like an upside-down T. Why is it important for certain lines to be perpendicular? Let's go back to the picture we had of a house. When someone is building a house, they need to make sure that the walls are perpendicular to the floor and the ceiling. They need to make sure that the walls are perpendicular with each other in a corner. Sometimes this is referred to as being square, so you want to make sure that the walls are square. In fact, when a carpenter is building something, they will use a tool called a square, which, ironically, is in the shape of a triangle. A square is used to make sure that two pieces of wood are perpendicular. In this video, we're going to look at three different methods for constructing perpendicular lines, and for all three methods, we're going to use our math set once again. The first method we can use to construct perpendicular lines involves using a triangle. Take one of the triangles from your math set and simply trace the edges of two of the sides. So not the hypotenuse, but the other two, like this. And when you remove the triangle, you have a set of perpendicular lines. The second method we're going to use to construct perpendicular lines involves using a ruler and a protractor. Use your ruler to draw a straight line first, like so. Move your ruler out of the way. Mark a point anywhere on your line. Doesn't have to be in the middle. And we're going to take the protractor, put the crosshairs right on that point and lined up with the bottom of the line. And we place another dot or mark on top of the protractor at the 90-degree mark. Try to be as precise as you can. Move your protractor out of the way and simply connect the two dots with a straight line and your ruler. The two lines are perpendicular, and we can check by using our protractor. And if we line it up, we can see that it pretty much lines up exactly on the 90-degree mark. So we've created perpendicular lines. The final method we'll use to construct perpendicular lines involves using a compass and a ruler. First, take your ruler and draw a straight line. Next, take the compass and place the pointy part anywhere along the red line. Doesn't have to be on the ends, we'll just go in a little bit. And we're going to make an arc like this. Take your compass and slide it past that arc on the red line, just a little bit past, and make another arc so that both arcs intersect like this. The final step, we just simply connect where the two arcs join together. I'm just going to slide that line over ever so slightly. There we go. The two red lines should be perpendicular. We can check to see if they are by using our protractor. Place it right here and we can see that in fact it is exactly 90 degrees. So these two lines are perpendicular lines. Please proceed to the activities for Lesson 2.